Hey guys, so I just washed my hair. You see, well clean and nice. And I have some new products that I want to try. So I got the DOUX products, the Crazy Sexy Curls, and the Bonita Bubble Balm. I want to try these. So let me go get changed and let's try these together. All right, so my hair is soaking wet and I'm gonna begin now. Um, I've been seeing so much on these products, so I'm definitely excited to be using them. I've seen a lot on these crazy sexy curls. This can be used alone, and I think these can be used alone. But I'm gonna mix them together and see what happens. Water activated cream to foam. Ooh, so I probably can just use this by itself with soft oil, lightweight styler, smooth detangle, defines without weighing hair down, ideal for creating juicy twisters, braid out braids, and define loose curls on all styles, dry shine. All right, so I might just use this alone because I just want to do a wash and go, but let's see. Alright, so we have one little section here fully soaked, drenching wet, and I'm gonna put some mousse. This is alright. Yeah. This is very slippery. It has a nice soft smell, it's not overpowering. Alright, I think I'm gonna use this alone. And then I'm gonna use my tangle brush. Let's see what we get. This is definitely a high foam, like it's definitely giving a lot of foam. Alright. Ooh, that's nice. Look at those curls popping. See that? Alright, and I don't do ringlets when I'm doing foam. I just let it do what it want to do and try not to. Yeah, that's really nice. I'm gonna probably try the other one on the front and see what it looks like. So yeah. I'm doing big sections because I really want to hurry and finish this. And I don't necessarily need it to be defined because, yeah, it's not that serious right now. But this foam is like it activates more with water. I don't know what's going on here, but I love it. I love it. Y'all seen that foam? If you want to, you can do some finger curls. But as I said, I'm not really about that. Just want to make sure whatever clubs were made is made and I don't play with it too much. Look at, yeah, this is banging. I'm liking this. So I'm gonna split this section in 2 or 3 maybe, let's see. And I'm gonna do one of those sections with the foam, with the pomade. I may have to do another video on the other one. Let's see. And use it a different way. This. Let's see. I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3. Just 3 pumps. Still feel like it too much. Like it is so crazy. It's like when the thing touches water, the foam activates more. I don't know what is that. That is so crazy. Trying to get down to the roots. This is so nice. Alright, so the next section I'm just gonna use 2 because 3 is definitely not necessary for these small medium sections that I'm doing. See, it's even so much that it's still on my hands spreading to the other section. Like, oh my god, I love. So I'm gonna do 2. There's 2 pumps. Look at my hair, guys. And when you're doing a wash and go, you have to make sure that your hair is clean and free of all products, so it's very much detoxed or clarified very well, because you want that curl to pop and hydrate it, because if not, you're going to get fuzz, you're going to get frizz, it's going to not clump together and stuff like that. So yeah. Ooh. I'm just trying to see if this method works with it as well. I'm not doing it too different, but yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this, because I realize these are very much powerful product. And as it said, it's water activated foam product, and this is the Bonita bubble balm, and it's like a cream to foam product from what I understand and what I did my research and found out. So this one, the product says it is best for wash and twist outs, braid outs, and do define hairstyles. And I can see that because it feels soft. It feels a little bit soft, and not that this is drying, because this is the softest, most hydrating foam that I've ever used. It is right up there with my Cream of Nature. This is very much like a sassy moisturizing mousse. Like, oh my god, look at that. See that? Yeah, this has the sauce, guys, and I have so much product I could stretch it to the other side. Like what? This is so cool. I'm gonna do a little bit of separating with this one because it's a little bit clumpier. You can see why. Yeah, these products are gold. But I want to see how it dries down and how it feels when it dries down as well. So I'll let you guys know that as well. The back is almost, yeah, this is a nice product. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and then come right back. Alright guys, so this is my hair all done. I'm gonna show you guys the mark parts. We don't worry about that yet. So I'm gonna allow it to dry before heading to bed. And when going to bed, I'm gonna take 2 hair ties and do a double pineapple at the top of my head to kind of stretch the back, because as you can see, the back is a little bit shorter, and kind of get that shape that I want, because I tend to get it short at the back if I just leave it like this. But I'm definitely loving both these products. I'd say for an everyday wash and go, get this because it feels like it will go a little bit more defined. And then this one would be great for you twist out your braids out, as the back says, and it does do a very good wash and go as well, but it feels a little bit heavier, but not cold, but heavier. But it definitely, I want to see if it gets sticky or how it feels each section. I just did this in the front, and the foam, the mousse at the back, both of them are foams. So definitely loving these products. I guess they can be used together as well, but that would be overkill because this foams so much. A little goes a long way. This could probably last me for a whole year, because I don't do my natural hair that much. You guys know I'm a weak girl, but yeah, this as well. Let me see what this says. Does this activate with so no flaking, none of that is expected with this, but let's see how it goes. All right guys, see y'all in a second. All right, so this is how I'm doing my 2 pineapples in the top, or 2 pigtails in the top, to stretch the back and let it dry and have some shape and longness, length in the back. So yeah. Hi guys. All right, so this is it, all done. I love how the pineapples stretch the back but still keep the curls. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys love, and definitely try wash and go because it is very good in the summer season. Bye dolls.